Hi guys, my name is Peter and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to talk about probably the most important upgrade for your Minn Kota throttle motor you can get, and really affordable. It's only $14.99 on eBay. I found it with free shipping in the United States. It's a MKP-6 100% weedless prop for my Minn Kota C2 Endura 30-pound thrust. Here's the original one. Here's the MKP-6. I mean, you can tell right there. It's much bigger. The blades is much wider. All around, probably half-inch each blade. On this guy is wider. It's longer. The thing is, it's like I said, it's a simple upgrade. It's only one nut. You take it old one, put it new one. In the end, you gain it probably close to a half-mile top speed. Plus, you can go anywhere, and I really mean it. You can go any places where there's bunch seaweed, and this prop works really good. With this guy, a lot of times I will have to stop it, pull it out, motor, clean it, weeds because it's all over. This guy I'm using for over a month already, a zero issue. I really like it. I do recommend it. Plus, like I said, I mean it's only $15, actually less than $15, and it works really good. Well, that's a short video. I hope you guys do like it, enjoy it. If you do, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will really appreciate it. Thank you.